Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to install and use the Chrome extension web browser with anonymous access, which allows you to browse privately through the OffiDocsVPN. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for the extension or use the link in the description. Click Add to Chrome, confirm by selecting Add Extension and Chrome will install it in seconds. When the installation is complete, you'll see the extension icon in your browser's toolbar. If you don't see it, click the extension's icon at the top right and pin it for quicker access. This anonymous browser provides complete privacy by not storing browsing history or personal data. Additionally, all connections are made through the OffiDocsVPN, ensuring an extra layer of online security. One of the main advantages of this browser is that it includes direct access to OffiDocs productivity tools. From here, you can use document editors, spreadsheets, PDF tools, and many more online applications without downloading additional software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on online tools.